I've owned this Mustang here for about a year now. If you're in the market for a 4th gen Ford Mustang here, this is the video for you. 2025 this year, and yeah, I'll go through the pros and cons of owning it. This one is a 3.0-liter V6 with a 5-speed manual. I don't know the transmission's name, but yeah. So let's start this video now and give you a walk around and talking about the common rust areas. Alright, this one doesn't really have rust at all, but you know, the old typical cars, they like to rust around the fenders, but this one has a little art, so it won't be rusting here. But yeah, underside's all rusty inside, but you want to look for rust at the wheel wells, you know, the corners of the fenders. You can see here there's a little bit of forming, but not bad happened there. But yeah, this thing is nice and clean. Sorry about the noise. Those roosters know it's KFC day, and they're gonna turn into my Kentucky Fried Roosters. So yeah, you can see this is a very clean car, but yeah, it did hit a deer at one point in life. So I'll show you what happened here. So you can see, since the hood been repainted badly, it's chipping, so I can see the primer. Thankfully it's not rusting yet, but hopefully it doesn't yet. But yeah, this is, like I said, the 3.8-liter V6, but with the manual. I haven't had really problems with it, but yeah, I'm gonna go give you a ride around the block, and so you guys can hear what's all about and tell you more about the driving experience. Not without a cold start. Yes, that is a fake tip. That fake tip is from my dad's Fiero, so it does not add any horsepower, etc. But this is, sorry about that. I know their time is coming soon, but this is a bone stock, so there ain't no turbos. It's still stock. Cold out. It's like I think 30 some degrees, so it's gonna have a little bit of problems. I do apologize about the mess, but it is my daily driver. Yeah, so let it warm up and let's go on for a drive. All right, so I am very picky about shoes when it comes to driving stick shifts. I will show you my pair of shoes. Let me just turn this off so you guys can hear me. But yeah, like I said, this one's a manual one. And I'm sorry about that noise, but it's my shock. Right off the bat, I can tell you one complaint, and that is the mirrors. Yeah, the mirrors are so small. Still learning about the clutch. Once again, sorry about the camera movement. Yeah, the dash is dirty. I don't know why, but yeah. Oh, car ain't the quietest out of all. I haven't driven a Dodge or a Camaro from this era, so I don't know how they drive compared to this, but the interior is really nice. For being a 2000s Ford interior, yeah, it's nice. The door cards on these, they like to break too, so yeah, you might have to get a couple during lifetime, but only has 76,000 miles on it. Not much, it's like barely broken into. I personally put like 1,000 miles on it, but yeah. This car has never left me stranded, and I hope it will never. While we're in here with the stereo, this one has the cassette tape and the CD player. One problem with the CD player, I do, well, pretty much every bump, I go across railroad tracks, it shuts off, then back on. A while back ago, we had a Ford, what's it called, the van, the minivan from back then. I'll have it on screen, but yeah, according to my parents, its radio sucked. So yeah, but yeah, it's not the fastest car in the world, but you can swap the V8 in there. Forgot there was a hill there. That's the turbos you're hearing. It's still fast. It's really fun. The only problem I have is reverse into fourth. I'm a fifth to fourth. Sometimes it wants to go into, you know, second. I mean reverse instead of. Even have an air filter set up on here, so it's completely stock. And there's a cow in the road. See? I don't know what that noise is. So yeah, I'm gonna get you to the house and I'll talk about the pros and cons about owning this and the other known issues these have. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that drive, but yeah, like I said, I started driving this like around February. So right now it's January 8th, I think, 8th, 9th, but yeah. So alright guys, the pros and cons, all what you've been waiting for. Is this a good first vehicle, second or third? Yes, I 100% agree. Yes, I drove a 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee 5.8. It was terrible. It wasn't a cool vehicle. My sister owns a Volkswagen Beetle 2005. I don't like it, but this car, I like it. Yeah, let's start with the pros. Well, what I do love about it, that it's nice and small. A lot of times when I go to parking lot, I like, oh, I only taking up this much. I need to go forward because it's so small. But yeah, and I love the customizations for this. The SVT Cobra R, you know, it's the big wings. You can customize from the wings, the tires, the wheels, engine stuff. But yeah, these are actually S197 wheels. Yeah, S197 wheels from a 05 V6. So yeah, they will fit on here too. And fun fact, also like any older Fords, like let's say a 60s Galaxy, if you put wheel spacer on, they'll actually fit this. I had tried it, and yeah, another pro is the fuel economy. The fuel economy is great. Yeah, it's like only like not big of a tank, but every time I go for gas, $20 in the tank, 3/4 away. That's great, and that can last me for a long time. It gets like average of 20 on city and 25 on highway for the 3.8 liter. But yeah, another pro is the comfortability, and it's really comfortable to drive it. Another thing is the cargo space. Got plenty of room. You got this big old trunk like this wide, and you can put down the back seats, and you can get another thing like there all the way to the back of the seat, so you can haul some pretty good stuff in here. My brother hauled sand in there and all kinds of stuff. But yeah, this engine is nice and reliable and never thrown me a code, except for something I'll get on and later bit. But yeah, but the looks, another pro is the looks. It looks really nice, especially compared to the pre-facelift version. I do like that quite a bit, but this is more edgy. See, new edge, get it? Yeah, but yeah, the customization is pretty well done here. You can see factory mud flaps, I think, but yeah. When I was looking for cars before I got it, well, before I known I would get this car, yeah, there I could find some for pretty cheap price, like between $2,000 and like $7,000 for pretty good ones. This one's a V6. Of course, I was looking at the V8 ones. Now off to the cons. I gotta add a lot of hours, a lot of quietness, but yeah, the cons. So I'll get up straight away. Like I said, the mirrors, they're really small, but you can get little circle things for the corner so you can see much better. It's a really easy fix. Another con, and like I said, the radio, but the the sound system is really good on here. No issues with it, except once you get to higher up with a CD, since you have the bass, yeah, it likes get a little bit less quality once you get it. It doesn't have the good, Boss 3 sound system that the other ones have. You could tell because they would have a speakers by the mirror. But yeah, another con is fuel pump. If you get these, if you've been seeing for a while, the fuel pump likes to go out on these. It's a common issue, I think, for them, and it's not bad to drop the tank, but yeah, it's not fun. But also, the fuel grommet donut from the gas tank, that's the fuel neck in for the gas tank. Here's a donut. It likes to rot away, and it's like it's a cheap part, but it's no fun. You gotta like remove the neck and stuff. That's a lot of common thing for them, but yeah. Yeah, I just have to do a shock, and that's it. The only code is throwing is the evap thing. This thing is pretty much good to drive, but yeah, since I've been driving it only for a year, I don't have much cons for it. It's a lot of pros, but it's just an awesome vehicle to drive. Really reliable, great engine, and just a good looking car in general. Like I said, there's a whole bunch of customizations you can get from headlights, wheels, fenders, and yeah, you get it. So if you guys found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It'll be much appreciated. And yeah, if you like to see other Mustang content, hit that subscribe button. And because I like to rebuild my second car to like second daily driver. It'll be like a S650 GT. Yeah, that'll be pretty cool. Wouldn't it? You can hear the from the exhaust, but like I said, it's stock. But yeah, if you really enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button. I have much more car content on this channel, not just the Mustang. I have truck content, classic car content. Next week, this Friday actually, I'm getting a part for the Sunline here, and hopefully that'll get running. Yeah, it was a pretty penny, well, in my opinion, since I'm jobless. But yeah, well, maybe next year I'll have a 2-year update about this. But yeah, I hope everybody will like this. But see you guys next time. Yeah, it's your boy here. If you enjoyed that video, hit that subscribe button. Like I said, I'm sorry about the quality of the camera. I guess it was full of fingerprints or something like that. And yeah, I'm still learning, I'm improving, I'm editing these videos, and you know how to film it. Anyone had any suggestions? I've been editing, I'm going for this video and realize, yeah, I didn't do well for making a video. So if you want to help a young creator out, just let them know in the comment section below. And yeah, let's try to get monetized by my birthday, February 4th. See you guys next time.